Hello and welcome to the introduction video of how to write a language and literature paper 1 guided analysis. So in this video series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the 9 steps of how to write a successful guided analysis for the IB paper 1 exam. You can see the 9 steps here. I'm going to show you how I read the text. This is the text we will be reading. I will show you how to annotate a text. I will then show you how I brainstorm. We'll create a thesis, then a peel plan before moving on to actually writing the essay, first with the introduction, how to write body paragraphs, writing a conclusion, and in the end we'll have a quick proofreading video. So this is based on my Ultimate Paper 1 step-by-step guide, which I showed you in a previous lesson. Just a reminder that standard level, your test is 1 hour and 15 minutes. You are presented with 2 non-literary passages from 2 different text types, each accompanied by a guiding question, and you will choose one passage and write an analysis of it. You do not have to use the guiding question, you can come up with your own guiding question. Higher level, you have more time, 2 hours and 15 minutes. You will be presented with the same 2 non-literary passages, which come with the same guiding questions, and the only true difference other than time is the fact that you have no choice. You have to do an analysis of each text. So the next video will be focused on step 1, reading the text.